Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get gas for your chainsaw without having to find a new chainsaw. I'm not quite sure if other people know this or not, but I'm going to show you anyway. So, don't want to go. Well, okay, so I'm at Merrick's Marina right now, and I'm trying to find a repair table or workshop or whatever it's called. Okay, kind of on foot here, so might take a while till I get to where I'm trying to go. Oh, well, I'm here. Get rid of him. Anyway, so to get gas for your chainsaw without having to get a new one, all you need to do is go to the repair table and go on top of your chainsaw and you just repair it, and it gives you all your gas back. So this isn't a glitch or anything. I just found this out a while back, and so well, hope you've had fun with that little tidbit, and see ya.